So, you just got a shiny new AirTag either as a gift or you went out and bought one or ordered one. And you come to realize that it's cool and all, but now you're kind of limited on how you can carry it / store it. It's small, very easily palmable, so it's kind of easy to lose and whatnot. Apple are notorious for this. They create a problem and sell you the solution. Like, what if I want to attach these to my keys so that I never lose them again? Cue in Apple's totally overpriced leather accessory for their all-new AirTags. For just $35, you will now have the ability to attach an AirTag to your keys so that in the event you lose them again for like the 400th time like me, you'll be able to locate them on the Find My app. Obviously, this is seriously a lot of money for a keychain that looks like may have cost Apple, I don't know, $1.50 max to produce. Good thing is, the third-party market for AirTags accessories are plentiful and way cheaper too. But, and I'm speaking from experience, I have always had a pleasant experience with Apple's leather products. Apple may not have god-tier leather, but it's still really durable and patina's well with time. The accessory is a pretty simple one, so this will be a quick review, but I'm going to give you guys an unboxing plus my overall thoughts on the accessory and whether I think it's worth it or not. So make sure to stick around until the end for my verdict, but without further ado, let's drop into a very quick unboxing. Alright, we're greeted with our typical white Apple box. Apple boxes are just so iconic, you instantly can tell. We're greeted with AirTag Leather Keychain branding along with a picture of our hottest and latest addition to our Apple leather collection. There's no action on the sides, and on the back we have a natural leather icon, leather keychain for AirTag in multiple languages, and a quick demonstration on how to insert an AirTag. Trust me, very simple accessory. We do feature a green pull tab, so pull that and pull on the inner tab and the keychain is sitting in a plastic holder alongside some documentation for warranty and some regulatory information. Once removing the AirTag from the plastic holder, we'll find some plastic protection to pamper our small stainless steel button here used to secure the AirTag in place. That's it, folks. I told you this would be quick. So first things first, it's a leather accessory, so first thing out of the box, you gotta take that whiff of the leather. I know I've mentioned it in prior videos, but come on, man. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh leather? So anyway, back to the keychain. This was worth $35. You mean to tell me this accessory costs more than a singular AirTag itself? Make it make sense, I know, but as most of us are well aware, the Apple tax is a very much real thing. Thing is, this is such a minuscule amount of leather, and to be price gouged like this, man, I don't know, Apple, this one's not sitting right with me already. The accessory comes in your choice of 5 different colors to portray your energy in a variety of different ways. You can either go all out with a bright yellow keychain or stay low key with a cooler dark one. You have Baltic blue, California poppy, forest green, product red, and of course the classic saddle brown, with possibly new colors being released in later seasons. I'm surprised a black keychain isn't released on this leather line. But now heading back to our accessory, the metal part that attaches to your keys appear to be about 1 inch in diameter. I'd say it's a pretty standard size for keychains. I don't know, I'm not a keychain expert. It's really shiny, probably the cleanest it'll ever look. After just a few hours in your pockets getting brushed and scraped against your keys, you'll start to notice small micro abrasions caused by the scratching of the keys. What's cool is that it's laser etched on only one of the sides and reads designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. The leather part of the keychain loops around the stainless steel ring and is a very secure fit. Apple barely left enough room so that the metal ring and leather are securely fastened together. You'll see your metal button and pops right through to create a perfect and seamless look. Then you'll notice the slit halfway into the circular portion of the leather to allow you to open up the leather accessory like a book, and so you can slide an AirTag in there. The stitching that creates a semicircle around the leather is immaculate. Not gonna lie, Apple is always on point with aesthetics and making their products, even their accessories, look really clean and sophisticated. It's comparable to the stitching on all their other leather accessories, including sleeves and leather wallets, just to name a few. There's never any excess string dangling or anything like that. Just make sure not to pull apart the accessory with too much force when inserting an AirTag, as the stitching is pretty durable, but I don't know how well it would withstand a big pull, which in turn could tear some of the stitching. And well, that's it. it. Oh, and of course the obvious opening along the inner portion of the leather keychain so that you can see your shiny plastic on the front and looks really nice if your AirTag happens to be engraved, and exposes the stainless steel metal backing so that of course you can flex that Apple logo. No worries, Tim Apple knows the vibes. For me, it serves a very obvious purpose, to live on my keychain in the event I misplace them and I can't find them. However, you can get a little creative. You see, my adorable little pet Bean likes to hide in places around my apartment and likes to play hide and seek. For all my cat people, you know what I'm talking about. Well, guess what? I also attached an AirTag to her collar using a leather keychain. That way, when she's trying to play hide and seek and I just want to drink a beer and watch some soccer, I can easily locate her and yell at her. Just kidding. She'd probably receive a ton of pets instead. But $35 for a keychain? Seriously? I know Apple's leather accessories are routinely overpriced, but I want to say this is the only leather accessory that costs more than the product itself. Is it worth it? Nah, but I think most of us knew that already. Look, it's not hard to go on eBay and find some cheap $3 replicas that come from overseas. But again, speaking from personal experience, you can tell the difference with a replica and Apple's leather right away. Apple's leather is very durable, ages beautifully, and always feels to be constructed of superior quality. It's the reason why once you buy an official first-party iPhone leather case for your iPhone, it's hard going back to these cheap knockoffs or replicas. Thing is, the replicas will last you a month or two, while the Apple accessory will last you much, much longer. Look, if $35 sounds worth it to you, by all means go ahead. You'll get a high-quality product with very durable leather, just not much of it. It's a simple accessory that Apple knew they had to capitalize by selling their overpriced leather accessories. I don't know if all Apple retail stores do, but the one closest to me has several Belkin offerings that do the job for the AirTags just as well at a fraction of the cost. They do catch my attention and I may review those later on since I actually like Belkin's products. They're a solid company that makes great Apple accessories. My verdict, definitely pass if you feel like $35 is just way too much to spend on a simple keychain. Look for some alternatives on eBay or even Belkin's offerings in that case. But if you're a loyal Apple customer who enjoys their first-party leather accessories like myself, you won't be disappointed. I'll be taking a look at the loop and leather loop for the AirTags in separate videos, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But that's been it, guys. Apple's September 14th event is a day after my birthday, so I always love this time of the year when new iPhones and Apple Watches are announced. So stay tuned for a ton more content. All right, clocking out.